Of course. This side broke off. Would you look at that? Back to one-eye bandit again. We also got some breather lights in now. But I've got to work on hiding the wire. Not a fan of how that is looking. But yeah, man, we had a good couple days off. Well, we didn't have it off. I was just trying to come up with different ideas for a video. But we've got a new what the hell? Blink. Gotta get that checked out. We've got a new drop that's new to you guys, but it ain't new to us. Yeah. Oh yeah. I got some paper locks to catch up on real quick, and then we're gonna hit the road. Show you guys this new drop off and see what we gotta do after. You know what I'm saying? Come on. Now where we're going, I'm like 90% sure. Damn, I was about to take this light, but that's a cop right there. I'm like 90% sure that we can record there. I mean, it's not like I'm gonna be like getting the good stuff or whatever, like the inside of what I mean, but like the unloading. That's what you guys want to see. I mean, it is pretty badass what they got inside that place, but like I said, I'm pretty sure they wouldn't want me recording their stuff. I mean, you can see the outside when we get there. You'll see. Like looking from the outside in, they've got like these badass chrome freaking tanks. They're huge though, dude. Like, if I had to guess, probably like 10,000 gallons. I don't know. I'm not good at guessing gallons, but they're freaking huge. You'll see when we get there, man. The first half of this drive, it's only 2 hours, so we'll be there quick. We'll be there before 3. The first half, it's kind of boring. It's just going through San Antonio. But once we get out there, man, it's beautiful. It's a whole different freaking drive, man. And you know, especially when we're out there, you know, at the delivery, it's nice. You know. See all the stars, but I don't know, tonight looks kind of cloudy, so we'll see, man. Shut up anyways, yeah, we'll pick it up here in a bit once we get in and out of San Antonio, and we are on the nice hill countryside. There's a bunch of hills, a bunch of ups and downs, and a bunch of jake braking. Come on. Well, we've been up and out of San Antonio, but dude, it's just cloudy as shit. You can't really see any stars like I'm trying to tell you guys. I mean, you can't really see with this blue light, but even then, like, look at that. It just looks completely dark. It's too many clouds. It really sucks. But then I look like a liar. It should clear up once we get over there. Once we get to the delivery, it's a little bit higher. I was about to say elevation. It's a little bit higher elevation, and should be more clear. Usually it's more clear, but you guys can't really see that much here. We'll see when we get there, I guess. Alright, this is where you need to open your maps up, because this, no matter how many times you come here, bro, this entrance is out of nowhere, and it's dark as hell out here, dude. right there, you know? Yeah. See, but it's out of nowhere, vato. Like, holy. And it's so dark out here, you'd never be able to tell. I mean, I'm sure after so many years of coming here, you kind of remembers that all. Not me, bro. So we gotta keep it quiet in here too, man. It's 3 in the morning and there's a bunch of houses out here. And you kind of want to go slow back here because, for one, this road is old as shit, dude. Like, look, it's got all these freaking potholes and dips, and it's bumpy as hell. And when you're in an older truck like mine, it ain't fun. And the other reason is obviously, you know, there's houses. You don't want to wake nobody up. And thirdly, I guess you could say, there's a bunch of deers, dude. There's a bunch of deers out here. You want to take one out? It's the only thing I don't like about out here is just freaking dark. I mean, no lights. Look at that. Oh shit! Woo, woo. That was a little panic right there. But it comes out of nowhere. Right there. Yeah, look at this bug. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's, I don't know what the hell I hit. It was a huge ass bug though. And it's one of those deals that, you know, that even if you get to freaking wipe it, like a wiper fluid off or whatever. Wait. Don't worry, that's nothing. That's my CB, man. Oh, shit. It's one of those deals where even if you got to clean it right off, right then and there, it was gonna smear rowdy. So I'm kind of screwed with this until I can get somewhere to clean it right. Let's open this gate. They got a new code in here. I didn't even know it. Whoa. See, and I really don't know if I can be filming in here. I know, I think there's a sign on the gate that says no filming, but I'm gonna just get, you know, I'm gonna get set up and show you all that. But then whenever they come out to sign the paperwork and get the sample and everything, put the camera down and then I'll pick it up right after once we start unloading, you know. So let's get all the way back there and I'll pick it up right before we get to the back and get turned around and backed up and todo el pedo, you know what I'm saying, man? Alright, we have arrived back here. But I mean, look how dark it is, bro. Backing it up ain't fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut these off. You can see a little bit more. But basically we have this parking lot to turn around. We gotta back it up to those silos over there. Swing it wide and cut it all the way over. I don't think we're gonna make this turn around. Oh, barely cleared it. We're good. That's what I'm talking about, man. Yep. And that's the sketchy part about this place, dude. Like, you can, I don't know if you can see, but the whole way from the front gate all the way back here on the sides, it's got like a rowdy drop to the sides. And the deal with tankers is they've got a high center of gravity. So you go off to the side just a little bit, bro, you're flipping over. You're turning over. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Looking good. Get a little bit closer right there. Now it's just basically a straight back. Yeah, see, you want to get it close to the wall of the building. In case, which rarely at these hours, the normal hours that we come, a la madre, yeah, you'll see another truck, but at these hours, you ain't gonna see another truck. About right there. Right there. I don't know, on these steep little inclines or declines, whichever way in the situation that you're in, but these little steep inclines and declines, the ones where if you don't have your brakes pulled, you're gonna roll. I don't know, I just have a habit of pulling both. Usually I'll just pull the tractors, but on these little declines, inclines, whatever, I like to pull both. So let's go get this paperwork signed inside, and then I'll pick it up once we get back outside. Oh heck yeah, dude. So I just pre-checked their silo, and they've got plenty of room to fit this whole load. These past couple of times, ooh, look at that right there, that's nice. Yeah, I like the breather lights, pretty cool. So these past couple of times, they've been a little high. Say they have corn, wheat, and barley. And these past couple of times, the corn has been way too high. And I had to wait it out and wait for them to pull from their tanks. Oh, but look, see, that's the tanks I was telling you. Huge freaking tanks. I don't know what they fill them with, but so this is our stick, pole, whatever. You just come here and oh, they're not even above the first string. The past couple of times I've came, it's like right there, right above halfway, and if it's like 3 or 4 inches above the first string, it's not gonna fit. So perfect. I like it a lot. And the dude already came and opened up the connection for me. So oh shit, I just hope I open the right side. I don't want to have to grab another hose, which I shouldn't. It should be good. Probably have to get a connection. Ooh. Get in there. Ooh. God damn it. Oh shit. Oh god damn. Come on now. Making me look bad in front of the YouTubes. There we go. Didn't have it all the way in. Now don't worry about that kink. It'll fix right now. Oh gosh darn it. I have to go grab the connection. Well, since we're up here, might as well get the front set up. That way we don't have to be walking back and forward. I need to add some lights back here, bro. I keep saying that every video, but I always forget. See, like the other 2 Houston places you've seen, they got plenty of light. But this ain't Houston, son. This is a private ranch at a whiskey distillery. So it's a little bit more complicated. Man, I can't see, bro. Gosh darn it, stay on. There we go. Bro, why do you keep coming up? There we go. Oh, freaking ants, bro. Oh, I hate ants. I hate ants. Man, if only y'all could smell the smell here. Straight up alcohol. Damn, that freaking ant bite hurts. It burns. I ain't allergic, but I think I'm related to its cousin. Sorry. Not a good joke, not a good joke, I know. Alright, get this, get this. This one. Ooh, even when dirty, it's still pretty. Yep. 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 Put this down. Put this down. But these back on, I mean, it don't even matter anymore. They're all dirty, but don't want to get too dirty. Yep. What? You got soft hands, brother. Soft hands. That's not too bad. Is that a dead bird? Shit. Hell yeah. What? Oh shit, he came outside. I thought he was coming outside to tell me to quit recording, because I'm telling you guys, I don't know if I can. I mean, I'm not recording to show all their operations. I'm recording to show my operations. But at the end of the day, if they told me to stop, I'd have to stop. So we're gonna hide low to get the content for you guys. We got a 4 belly too. Ugh. Hope this goes quick, bro. Hope this goes quick. Let's try not to burn our leg today. Oh. Slow. Slow. Nice. Where is my damn knife? Is this one? Those are not mine, by the way. I don't know whose they are. You guys cannot judge me. And right about there. Right about there. Shut up. All right. Give it a few seconds. We're gonna time it. Right about there. Come over here. All the way. All right. We'll call it 320. We'll call it 320. So we'll see how long it takes to fill her up. How long it takes to do this 4 belly. We'll pick it up in a bit. Yeah, we're all done. It's barely 4 o'clock. Started at 3:20. About 20 minutes each. Right? No. The first belly was 30 minutes. The front one was 10 minutes. Started at 3:20. At 3:50, the first one finished. Then right at 4 o'clock, the second one finished. Hopefully these last two go in 10 minutes each as well. I doubt it though. It's getting up there, bro. I don't know how. They were below the first three. It's like right at or right below the third ring. And we still have 2 more bellies. How? But man, we'll see. We'll see. Damn, can't believe it only took an hour for 4 belly. Now we're on the dot. That's crazy. But that's good. I'll take it. Shit. An hour for a 4 belly is pretty good. Look how tight this is, bruh. And look, see the dips I was telling you? Probably don't look that bad on the camera, but I know this right here. These right here are out of there. See those dips right there? See how the side goes rowdy like that? I'm sure it's not too bad when you're empty, but when you're loaded and filled to the top, you're flipping, bro. Actually, before we leave, let's do the logbook real quick. Totally forgot to do it before we left. Quick with it, son. Dude. We got, I think it's like 2.5 hours to the rails, so. Oh man, there's someone right there. What the hell? What the hell? I cannot see. Well, at least they were chilling about it. Alright, let's get out of here and pick up the camera once we're a little bit closer and a little bit brighter out. Where we're gonna be going right now? What did I just say? Where we're gonna go right now is, it's real dark, dude. Really dark. Bunch of hills. Gonna go through Kerrville the back way, and then Bandera, and then we end up in Hondo for 173. But with this damn bug in the way, it's gonna bother the shit out of me, and I know it probably looks weird on camera. I would use the wipers, bro, but it's just gonna smear, so let's get there. Come on, man. Damn, your boy was getting a little tired and hungry. You know, I had to stop. Laredo's tacos are the best, bro. I'm a sucker for gas station food, man. And it came with a free large drink, all for $6. Come on, man. Can't beat that. Let's go, though. Let's go. Shoo! Finally made it, boys. Right before 7 too. They don't open till 7:30, I think. But we are allowed to go in because all these other plants and shit like that, they're open 24/7, I think. So like the gates are open, we can go through, but I don't think nobody gets to the corn plant till 7:30, the earliest. I think the labor guys, they don't get there till 8. but I know the boss man, he gets here early, like at 6:30, but I doubt he's gonna do everything by himself. From getting my scale ticket, my empty scale ticket, to going and moving the loader under the train, or the rails, the carts, loading me up, then having to go back onto the scale to get me a ticket, close the latches. So let's see. I can't film right here, so I'll pick it up right after. Man, do y'all see what I see? There's someone back there already. Who the hell got here before me? It's not even 7 o'clock yet. Who is that? Who the hell? Oh, it's a tanker too. Someone that went to Houston. Oh boy, that means we get to take a nap. Let's go. Man, we got a kickback now. It was a Mario. Man, don't mind the window. It's dirty as hell. Gotta go give it a scrub, man. But we're gonna eat this little taco. Then we're gonna take a nap. Ugh. Man, now that it's actually daytime, you can see how freaking dirty this window is. How it got last night. This was just last night. And it only gets this bad, bro, when we go to where we went last night. High Texas. H-Y-E. High Texas. It's next to Fredericksburg, Texas. But anyways, it never gets this bad. I can go to Houston and back 2 times, like Tuesday, in 2 days, and my window would never get like this. But I don't know what it is about up there in the hill country. They got freaking jumbo willy bobs for bugs over there, man. Like, good lord. And there's some juicy suckers too. That was one bug right there. That's the one I was telling you about earlier today. Ah, man. It's freaking beautiful outside though, man. Damn, look at the clouds. They're sitting low too. Look at that. I like your cow. I think we're done for the day though, man. Hopefully it's been a rough week. Damn, look at that open fields, bro. One day I'm gonna have an open field like that with my own barndominium and everything and my own truck. I'm gonna have it all, bro. This is what we put the work in for now. Yeah, look at all this. Just virgin land right here. Perfect, dude. Perfect. It'll pay off one day. One day it'll pay off. And I can't wait, dude. Let's get to the yard. Let's see what else we got for today. Alright, fellas. That'll be it for this video. I'm sorry it's such a weird ending, but I got carried away with things. Oh man, I think the next video we're gonna do is a washing video. I don't know, maybe some of you guys are into it, because it's filthy again and I don't like that. So I appreciate everybody coming in and watching another video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share it with someone, please. Let's get these views up, baby. Ooh-wee. But yeah, I appreciate y'all coming back, man. Keep coming back.